Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on setting up a sleep schedule on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this on the heytap Health app, so open up the app on your phone. On the Health section of the app, tap on the Sleep segment. Scroll down the page and tap Sleep Schedules. Tap Next. Choose how many hours of sleep that you would like to get per night, and then tap Next. At the top here, you can choose which days you would like your sleep schedule to be set for. Then use the slider to set your bedtime and wake time. You can see that the slider will go red if the times you choose don't give you the correct amount of sleep that you chose. Tap Add. You can see your schedule details here. Tap Next. Here you can turn on the toggle to have a bedtime reminder, or turn it off to not. If you tap Remind Me, you can customize how much time before bedtime that you get a reminder. Tap Next, then choose whether you would like your music to stop at bedtime or not. Tap Next again. Here you can see your schedule details. Tap Done. Here you can change any of your sleep schedule details. Your sleep schedule is now set up. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.